Is that cheese? I smell cheese. It's American cheese. That's American cheese. Cheese. American cheese. I was playing with you, Joe. People, this is the most fattest dog I have ever saw in my life. Look at this belly here. It's just the. But he's a good dog. Sunday's a brat, but good job, huh, Joe? See, he doesn't do nothing. He just sits there and lay on his fat belly because look at this belly right here. It's so chunky that a pig is trying to get out because he's so fat. But he's not fat. Isn't that right, Joe? Huh, Joe? Look at this beautiful face. Look at this. It's a little messy, but still. Still a little messy. Well, people, this is my YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So, thank you, and goodbye. Am I say bye, Joe? No?